In a meeting of the Union Cabinet chaired by the Prime Minister of our country, Narendra Modi, a central scheme to provide drones to 15,000 women self-help groups has been approved, whose name is Drone Didi scheme. Through this scheme, women self-help groups will be provided drones on rent to farmers for agricultural use. These drones will be used for agricultural purposes like spraying fertilizers, etc. Under the Women Self-Help Group Drone Scheme, these drones will be provided during 2023 to 24 and 2025 to 26. Women drone pilots will also be given honorarium every month under this scheme. Apart from this, training will also be given to female Drone Sakhi. How will the Women Self-Help Group get the drone and how much salary will be given? For information related to all these, we will provide you complete information related to Women Self-Help Group Drone Scheme through this video. Drone Didi scheme has been launched by Prime Minister Narendra Modi on 28 November 2023. Through this scheme, approval has been given to provide drones to 15,000 women self-help groups. Drones will be provided to women self-help groups by the central government in the next 4 years. These drones will be used for agricultural work like spraying fertilizers, etc. Drones will be made available on rent to farmers for use in self-help group agriculture. An amount of approximately 1,261 crore rupees will be spent by the central government on this project in the next 4 years. Under Drone Didi Yojana, by providing drones on rent to the farmers of the country for agricultural use, the efficiency of spraying drone fertilizers and pesticides will be improved by using technology in their farming. This will not only benefit the women self-help groups but will also help the farmers in spraying fertilizers for agricultural purposes. The main objective of launching the Mahila Self-Help Group Drone Scheme by the Prime Minister is to provide drones to the Mahila Self-Help Groups to enable the farmers to use the technology in farming to improve the efficiency of spraying of fertilizers and pesticides. After this, farmers will be able to rent drones from self-help groups for agricultural use and will be able to do their farming in a better way. This scheme will not only benefit self-help women but will also enable the use of advanced technology in agriculture, which will also increase the income of farmers. Let us tell you that in his Independence Day speech on 15th August, Prime Minister Narendra Modi had announced the Drone Didi scheme from the Red Fort to empower the self-help groups, SHGs, with drone technology. Under this scheme, for the purchase of drone, women self-help groups will be given assistance up to 80% of the cost of the drone and accessories charges, or a maximum of 8 lakh rupees. The remaining amount will be available as a loan under the Agricultural Infra Financing Facility, on which 3% interest subsidy will also be given. Union Minister Anurag Thakur has said that this scheme is important as part of PM Modi's Lakpati Didi initiative, which will play an important role in the drone service sector. There are about 10 crore women in the country who are part of self-help groups. Of these, 15,000 drones will be provided to women self-help groups. Giving information under Drone Didi Yojana, Union Information and Broadcasting Minister Anurag Thakur has said that female drone pilots will be given drones by forming a cluster of 10 to 15 villages, out of which one woman will be selected as Drone Sakhi. After this, the selected Drone Sakhi will be given training for 15 days. Besides, the female drone pilot will also be given a salary of 15,000 rupees every month. 15 days training will be given to Mahila Drone Sakhi in 2 parts. A member of a women's self-help group will be provided with a 5-day mandatory drone pilot training and an additional 10-day training on nutrients and pesticides for agricultural purposes. Drone Didi Yojana will help farmers promote advanced technology in agriculture by providing them the benefits of drones to increase better crop yields and reduce the cost of operation, due to which their annual income will increase, and farmers will be able to easily spray pesticides on their crops. Any interested women who want to apply under the self-help group drone scheme will have to wait a little longer because at present Prime Minister Narendra Modi has given approval to start this scheme. This scheme has not been implemented yet. As soon as the Drone Didi scheme will be implemented by the central government, only then will we be able to provide you information related to the application to avail the benefits of this scheme. Information about how to apply for Drone Didi will be uploaded. Like, share and subscribe to know details.